Mic check, mic check. Can y'all hear me? Mic check, mic check. I'm going to let Facebook do its thing and a few people come in. It's about 9:12 on Friday. Hey, happy Friday, everybody. And if you're sitting in that office, I know y'all thinking about getting off, but hey, work your job, do your job, do a good job today. You'll probably be off sooner than later. But what I wanted to talk to everybody today about is supporting other small businesses. This young man, he made a statement that really kind of shook me to my core. And I'm like, what are you doing? He made the statement that because somebody wasn't in his business, he can be friends with him. I told him, you know what? That is the wrong thing to do, because people know people and people know a lot of people. So it's best for you to be kind to them and get the referrals because, hey, what's going on, Kane? Welcome to the party. I'm old school, so I have to give you the old school wave. Like I was saying, it's best to always keep good relationships with people because you never know. And trust and believe, the home-based business industry, we have people selling everything from vitamins, potions, lotions, vacations, timeshares. So you never know who people know. So I say keep those relationships good with people because they may not be doing business with you now, but the time will come when they do business with you. And another example, I had people come by and they sell all kind of stuff. One of my friends, he was selling some weight loss pills. Now I must admit, I can lose a few pounds, so I bought the pills because he was my friend. Even if I didn't need him, I was gonna buy him because I was supporting him. And I know in the home-based business arena, sometimes it get kind of tough. So I tell everybody, even whether it's Legal Shield or whatever, support your fellow entrepreneur because you never know who they know and who can use your service. So don't just burn relationships with people. Always keep those relationships good because you never know, if you burn a bridge, you got to go back over that bridge. I've been around a long time and I'm telling y'all the truth. Always keep these relationships good. Today is Friday, y'all already know. Got to take off. I just like getting away and just relieving some stress. But I tell everybody, always, if you can, support that person on what they're selling because you never know who that person knows. And if you treat them bad, the referrals are not coming to you. So with that being said, on this video, if you listen to it live, just give me a thumbs up. And if not, just push hashtag replay. Hopefully this video brings some value to you. This is Booker Williams. Enjoy your life. Always go for your dreams no matter what, because you never know. This is Booker Williams. Peace.